Why do we sneeze with our eyes closed? It's not just a reflex, it's a protective mechanism. When we sneeze, our body is expelling irritants and closing our eyes prevents them from getting in. But is there a deeper reason? Some say it's our subconscious acknowledging the power of our own bodies, as if we're afraid of what we might unleash. Now consider sharks. They've been around for over 400 million years, predating trees by a whopping 50 million. So who's the real ancient beast? Sharks have survived mass extinctions while trees evolved into the giants we see today. And speaking of survival, octopuses have 3 hearts, yet they still get ghosted. Imagine having all that love to give and still being overlooked. Lastly, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's spread our deep extra knowledge.